Welcome back to the garage. Just gonna do a quick and dirty for you. I had to kind of quickly clean up my headlights. These are pretty yellow. Can't really see too well at night with them. You really don't need much for it. So clean it off. Window cleaner and a clean rag. This one's already clean. Just use a polish of some sort. This one's Poor Boys SSR 2.5, just what I had laying around. It's really good polish. You can do it by hand. I have excuse me, a old Porter-Cable DA. Got this thing years ago. Microfiber pad. Just put a couple drops on there. Set your speed on low, and so you can do this by hand. Turn on, spread it. Polish around here a little bit. You can turn the speed up on this one. 5 seems to work pretty good. And work the polish around. Couple passes, take a clean towel, take it off, any polish around the surrounding area. Best way is to, obviously tape it off. But hopefully you can see the difference in that, how much clearer that is. Definitely helping my vision. It's not the correct way to do it. Correct way would be to do a multi-step process with different wet sanding, 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit, and then tape off the whole area and clear coat it. That would be the best way to restore the lens, but I mean, this is an old car. It doesn't have a whole lot of life left in it, so just do it quick and dirty. Once you do that, you do want to protect it with something. Either you can get like a cheap ceramic coating, like an Avalon King coating. I've done that before. Obviously, the best way is with a 2K clear coat. But I'm just going to give this stuff a shot. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. Just quick and dirty. Spray on. Work it around a little bit. And just gotta polish it off. That should last, get 6 months to a year out of it. If I got to break out the polisher for 10 minutes worth of work, it's worth it. Anyway, thanks for a little quick DIY. Hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe. Thank you.